Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use bonuses in Mostbet. This is really easy. Before we continue, I invite you to create a professional Mostbet account, and to do this you will click on register. Next, you are going to enter all your information, and at the promo code section, you are going to enter the promo code SANU. By using this promo code, you will get 300% bonus. So if you top up your account with $50, you will get $150. All you have to do is to first of all top up your account. So what you are going to do is to click on your menu icon at the top left, and then you are going to scroll and click on the plus icon at the top of your page. Then you are going to find out many deposit options. So you are just going to select any one of these basically. So for the case, you are going to select the Visa. Next, you are going to find out many bonuses that will be activated due to the fact that you used the promo code mentioned earlier to create your account. So next, you are going to click on the amount, and you are going to top up your account with any amount. Next, you are going to click on deposit, and you will proceed by entering all the valid information of your payment identities to proceed by the payment directly on your Mostbet account. So once this is done, next, you'll find out that all the money, including your bonus money, will be available directly on your Mostbet account. So what you're going to do is to place a bet by simply selecting any bet. So you are going to find out many options of top sport available for you to bet on, like football, UEFA Nation League, and whatever. So you are going to select any of these options, like the match of Portugal versus Scotland. So you are going to select any outcome. Next, we're going to click on outcome. Then you are going to find out all your bet on your accumulator, and you are going to find out your possible winning, including the bonus. So just make sure to place all your money, including the bonus money, on the bet you are sure to win. And next, you're just going to click on place the bet. Once this bet is placed, you just have to win, and directly all the money, including the bonus money, will be sent directly to your main account. So you can just proceed to a withdrawal of all this money, and this is all yours.